I want to share with you a repair that somebody brought in, which is a Fender brown face amp from the 80s that unfortunately, I guess when the brown face amps went out of style, somebody spray painted black and he wants to restore it to the original color. So I'm going to walk you through the process of adding the Tolex on the outside of the amp. Now, this is the first time I've actually done this, so you can sort of learn from my mistakes as we go here. I'm Dave with Stringing Together, and let's dive in. I'm going to do this video in two parts. So one will be removing the old Tolex, and then next week I'll show you adding the new Tolex. So first thing I'm going to do is take off the actual speakers here. So pretty easy to do, just a couple of screws. And they spray painted the front of this to the actual grill cloth, so you can sort of see the color difference here. I'm going to take out these staples and hope that I can maybe just flip this around and use the other side. And I almost ripped it before realizing that there is actually some kind of hidden staples up at the top here. And it doesn't look like I can actually reuse this grill cloth. It kind of ended up going all the way through, as you can sort of see here with the original brown color on the outside. So the customer is going to have to order one of those. Taking off the hardware is pretty straightforward. It's just removing screws, but obviously I want to be careful not to strip anything or damage anything at this point. Now, I would make sure at this point to take pictures of the insides of that Tolex material, because that will actually help you figure out how to wrap around these corners. And in terms of taking it off, there's a lot of dried glue there that I'm going to have to sand off. So I decided to use an iron just to heat up that glue and hopefully save a little bit of sanding time, which does work pretty well, but definitely smells pretty bad. Kind of smells like my grandpa's basement or an old shed that's had cigarettes smoked in it for a few years. You can see the old color material on the sides here, and looks like that handle's been screwed in quite a few times, so I'm going to have to fill that in. So the sides seem to come off pretty easily. I just steamed that top off and then it just came off in one shot. The bottom was a bit more of a struggle. I'm not sure why, but I found once I steamed the edge there where it was really tightly glued on and then peeled it back, then it kind of just came off in one shot pretty easily. I wanted to get rid of that dried glue, so I just scraped it off with a razor blade and then sanded it with my electric sander. And then I wanted to fill those holes, so I just used a little bit of wood filler, put it in there, let it dry, sanded it, and try to get it nice and level. So that was part one, taking off the old Tolex, and I can't stress enough how much you should take a picture of each corner, because that was the difficult part. But if you stay tuned for next week's video, then I'll show you how to do the corners as well. So hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on for that. I put out a video every week. Normally it's more guitar repair related. I've got some free resources you can download in the comments section, which you might want to check out for guitar wiring and fret leveling. And that's all for now. I'll see you next week.